Hi, I'm Faith, and today is day 5 of Flylady's beginner baby steps to getting your home and life in order. Today, we need to make sure to read our post-it notes, which is to get dressed in the morning and to make sure to have a clean and shiny sink before bed. We're also going to start a new baby step, which is to be kind to yourself. Taking care of yourself is so important, so stop running on empty. Make sure you get enough rest at night and take your breaks when you feel overwhelmed. I personally take a couple breaks during the day. One break is in the morning when I make myself a cup of coffee, and another break is around 2 to 3 p.m. This is when I make myself my favorite tea and drink it slowly so I can regain my energy for the next half of the day. You can also try taking a bubble bath at night and read your favorite book. Another part to this step is to stop being so hard on yourself. This is what I need to work on. I sometimes push myself so hard to get all these tasks done that I just need to learn how to relax. So the next habit that we're going to work on is to make sure to take care of ourselves by doing something nice for ourselves every day. Click the like button if you like this video and subscribe to my channel for more homemaking videos. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day. Bye!